do
Don't
a
do that.
video.
Don't do that.
I'm telling you.
You being petty already. So, this is TOMPO Playtime with Legend and CJ. Let's get into it. We gotta grow up.
TOPO, it'd be hard to get this channel activated. As you guys can see, I've been on mine. Where you been at?
Don't do that.
What you mean don't do what?
For the last 3 days, he'll be like, yo, I'm gonna be there at 12, and then he'll hit me at 12 midnight. Talking about you ready. I'm already asleep.
Bro.
Anyway, let's fast forward. Royal family is not
You are
here.
getting old, so you like it.
Shut up.
Sis, not 12 o'clock. Not 12 midnight. She said, nah. I got 10 minutes for y'all at 12 midnight. Come on, girl.
Royal family is not here. They are on vacation for Clarence's birthday. Happy birthday, Clarence.
Yeah, happy birthday, my boy.
So we decided to come to the Royal
Happy belated
family house while they're not here, and we're just gonna we're just gonna bother their kids. That's like what we're gonna do. My mom is in town. She got some toys.
Yeah, we're gonna get competitive with, I guess.
I already see it. I'm gonna win. So stay tuned.
Should I do a cartwheel?
Go ahead. You wanna do a cartwheel? Go ahead. Be immature, cause nobody's here, so you could be immature, bro.
It's the hardwood floor of the socks. So I'm in the toy in a way. I got you, bro.
That was a fail. CJ, you know how to do a cartwheel better?
What?
Do a cartwheel.
I can't do a cartwheel.
Come on. Let's get it.
Oh, that was...
Yeah, that kid's skilled. Yeah, that was what's up.
Nah, move out the way. Move out the way. It's my side.
Nah, ma. You ain't messing with CJ.
Well, can you do this?
Oh. Do that. Do that. Do that.
I'm gonna land on my back. Yeah, I'm just not gonna do that one. Oh, that's okay. I can do that.
Bro, it's not the same. Yeah, CJ is like going straight up in the air like in the pool.
No, but he's going backwards.
Yes.
Do this though.
Why are you going dancing?
Oh, it's cool. I bet CJ can do it though.
Yeah, got you there. Got you there.
Nah, you're super petty though. You're super petty. You can't do that. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Come on. You ready to play the game? Let's explain to the people what the rules are.
All right.
Okay, what's up?
Yo, chill out. Why are you talking to my camera so much?
Yeah.
Hey, CJ ready. He got them paws. Don't hurt it, CJ.
Oh, why are you talking to TOPO like that?
Those are good hands, though. I like your form.
Okay, you. All right.
Listen. All right, balloon zoom. It is a game in which you pump up. Well,
Bro, do it on the floor. Do it on the floor, bro.
This is a game in which you pump up the balloon, and you see who can get the balloon to go the farthest. Can you please push the button for me, CJ, so we can show what happens when you push the button?
Yes.
Push the button. Okay, so the person who's able to get the most air in their balloon will win the game. Whoever gets the farthest will be the winner. What is the winner getting?
I don't know. I got like $100 in my pocket.
I'm gonna go off. He's on my all kind of games.
Hey, CJ loves money. I like that about you.
It's gonna be me versus you versus CJ.
Yeah, unless Legend wants to be involved. But Legend seems like he's chilling.
CJ, I will bust you up, man.
Oh, this one
You want
first.
purple? Well, purple is yours. I just got you set up. Now you gotta pump your own balloon up.
We gotta put my own balloon.
Let's make it even with this right here.
Yeah, and don't push your button until you're ready. So make sure you put enough air in your balloon to win this race.
All right, it's lined up. All right,
Ready?
we ready.
Make sure you put enough in there. Yo. Classic.
He's so cute. CJ.
Don't point it the wrong way. Do it straight, because you're going to lose.
It's the farthest distance.
And you got to move back. You not in
You
left.
cheating now.
You cheating.
Move back.
Yeah.
Look.
CJ, don't do that. Let's go.
There's a lot of money on this.
Wait, what money?
I thought you said you had $100.
I was just telling you what I had in my pocket. I didn't say. Let's do $20. Dang. That's why CJ hype.
Lee trying to pull a fast one. She said that 100 was on the table. They was waiting for that. That was the prize. Now she gonna backtrack, but that's all right. CJ don't need that much money.
You ready?
Yeah.
That's what you want to go with? If your balloon blows off.
Ready?
Yeah.
Had a crash.
I learned a lot from your mistakes.
Yep.
Play the middle.
Yep. Should have been in the middle.
Play the middle.
You can just use the same balloon.
Nah.
What?
Nah. We got money on the line.
Yeah, it's $20 on the line, brother. Leave your little purple balloon right there. All right? I'm going to go with an orange balloon for my choice of poison. It should be easy to beat you.
I love your chubby cheeks.
I don't got chubby cheeks. Watch your mouth.
You got chubby cheeks.
What?
Have me in the gym watching.
You got
Yeah.
chubby cheeks.
Yo, what?
Yeah, I'm not
You
worried
got.
about
You better make sure it's connected, bro. Don't get away from the balloon.
it. Yeah, don't move your balloon.
Move. Get out of here.
Get me in here. Nah, move out
CJ,
the
come
way.
over here. Nah, come over here, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, move out the way. It's not going to take much for me to beat you. Come on, Jay. Come on. Why does it seem like my balloon is struggling for air?
Yeah, I feel like it's going forward. I think it's gonna stop.
It doesn't count because mine crashed into the wall.
No, it counts.
It counts. You had to direct
No
it.
sympathy for childish mistakes. You're on COPO. This is not the royal family, all right? Wrong channel, bro.
No sympathy.
Ready?
I can beat you.
Y'all be mean to somebody that cute. Don't be mean to CJ.
Nah.
Watch out, CJ.
Go out the way. I'm going to go a little to the left.
I
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Watch out, CJ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. That's pretty good. Nah, beat this kid up. Nah, beat this kid up,
You know I
man.
was at the wall.
Nah, beat this kid up, cause he's just
What's up with you, bro?
not following the rules.
What's up with you, bro?
It's on the blue.
What's up with you, bro?
For real, that's
What's up with you, bro?
that's how we get down on TOPO.
Yeah, you get washed on this shit.
That's what I'm saying. And his parents not home. His parents not home. By the time they see this, we'll be gone.
Yeah, fast. Play with me. You're already cheating.
No, I'm just picking a good
Look at Leah, already cheating.
We got the hot.
Look at Leah, already cheating.
We the hot.
CJ gonna be a karate expert.
I want the hat.
No, you can't get the
I
hat.
want the hat.
You can't get the hat.
Oh.
Please,
I
no.
need the hat.
No, you do not need the
I
hat.
just need it.
No, you don't. Why you want to wear my
I need it
hat?
for my hat collection.
No, I'll let you wear it. Here. Nah, matter of fact, you don't need to wear this hat.
Please.
Please turn back up.
Alright, so what I'm doing over here.
I'm all
How do you say no to a kid that cute?
the way at the wall. The only way you can beat me is if you can perfectly get it through that hole.
Oh, like over here.
Yeah, that's your best chance.
Good.
That's the best chance of keeping your $20.
Well, why am I the one who put up money? Like,
You offer. You said,
I just said
I don't have $20.
me neither.
I just said what I had.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't got $20.
CJ like, I'm a kid. I don't have $20, which is facts. It's facts, sweetheart. We don't want you to have that much money. But mine gonna keep it 1,000. He's like, shoot, brother needs his 20.
CJ.
Nah, y'all gonna owe me.
Got it.
Well, I'm not gonna be the only one paying. I guess nobody getting money.
Hey, you better win. Cause right now you.
No, you see how she did that? It was 100. It was 20. Then it's nothing. Get out of here, girl.
$20?
like, yeah.
I'm not gonna lie, do what's best for you.
Huh?
Your future's in your own hands. I'm calling the loss right now.
Are you?
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Do it.
Nah, you make me feel like I gotta.
Look, I'm in her head. I'm in her head. I'm in her head. I'm in her head early. I'm in her head early.
Why you smiling?
I'm in her head.
Don't
I'm in her
smile.
head early. CJ, she about to lose to you too. She wants to lose to you too, CJ. Don't worry.
Ready?
What the heck is that?
No wall. No wall. Stop short. Yeah. Yeah. Your boy. Your boy. Your boy. In the Children's Olympics.
Nah, I had a false balloon. Nah, you seen how it got deflated?
I've been practicing with Legend and CJ earlier. I knew you needed more air in your balloon. I just didn't inform you. Here you go.
Nah, that's whack, bro.
What you mean?
Nah, that's whack.
If you know how to win the game, why would you tell him?
That's whack.
Nah, where's the 20? This is TOP Awards. I just need to get paid.
It's my turn.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Yeah.
Just gonna redeem me.
Yeah. Look, now she's using Legend against.
Then I get my 20 back, bro. Go ahead, come on, Legend. Come on, Papa.
Come on, CJ. Hold on.
Come on.
Okay, Ledge.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, Papa.
Oh, nah, Legend's putting in work right now.
Yeah. Too soon, my boy. But
Good job, Legend.
it's cool.
He helped his auntie out.
High five.
Hey, none get a redeemed right there.
Let me try.
Yeah, CJ, let CJ go over time.
I'm still proud of you, okay? DD's still proud. Yeah, baby. I'm still proud of you.
Let me try.
Legend, what's up?
Now he's talking again.
It's getting out of control. Can you help? Like these kids.
Nah, TT.
She like, can you help me? Like, what's going on? He like, nope, I'm recording.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yo.
Okay, CJ, you gotta redeem yourself. Make sure you get your balloon nice and big. Legend's about to get dizzy.
No, Papa, don't do that. You will do it, okay?
Well, I'm ready to do this. That's me.
Look at CJ's face.
Oh, man, my bad.
No! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
I will push you out.
Yo.
I can get out of
No,
it!
you can't get out of it. Go ahead, get out of it. Go ahead. Get out of it. Let's go. All you have to do is hit the floor 3 times. Come on.
1, 2, 3.
Redo your balloon over there. Come on, redo it. What he's doing? This house is crazy.
Is he put somebody's jewelry down the air vent?
Look at who's supposed to be watching.
Y'all let Warmo out. She been sleeping this whole time.
Redeem. Nah, this is his redeem. CJ gotta redeem himself. CJ, this is a big one. This is the last one. This is your last chance. Legend, don't mess him up. Don't mess him up. Oh my goodness, CJ.
Nah, how he already let it go.
No, I didn't. It went go by itself.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
That's it.
30, 31, 32. Gotta put that work in, CJ. You wanna win, you gotta put that pain in. Okay. Okay. You're working. Okay, now you're putting some pain in.
Look at Legend. He got his brother back. You think he gonna mess with the balloon? I think he being supportive. I think he got his brother's back.
You didn't even pass my last one. Nah, CJ. Fail.
Yeah, that might be the end of it. Yeah. Yeah, see.
Give me my money. Give me my money.
Because I'm getting tired of you, Mom. Come on.
Let's go. It's way past you guys' bedtime, by the way.
Yeah. When I beat you, you have to go to bed. And I'm putting you to bed.
I'm gonna run.
No, you not. You ready? Come on. No, one hand, bro.
No,
One hand.
no, you can do it.
No, no, you can't. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Let's go to bed.
Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Legend. Legend. Come on. Boom. Pull up. Boom. Boom, my boy. Boom. Yo, what kind of... Yo. All right.
CJ ran down the stairs. He said, you carry me up, but you gonna be running down, sis. He's like, ain't see this ain't easy. How you think we went through Mo? Mo already sleep. You gonna be sleeping well too.
I think.
Alright, in conclusion, I lost $20.
I won.
No.
And these kids are crazy.
Yeah, their parents need to come back.
Yeah, their parents need to come back. All right. See you guys later.
Why CJ mad? Oh, don't make CJ mad. He's too cute. He ain't mad. He ain't ready to go to bed. He need to go to bed though. But he ain't ready.
Another video with T.O.M.D.L.
Shout out P.O. Queen and Clarence, man.
Sheesh. It is bedtime for everybody. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share if you care. Hit the bell and become part of the No Squad.